My name is Andrea Marshall, and my company is Andrea Gems. I create very limited production and one-of-a-kind, unique artisan jewelry. I've loved gemstones ever since I was a little kid, and ever since then I've been crazy about jewelry. I think it was a passion so deep. I knew all through my life that I had to, at some point in time, make jewelry just a part of my life, more so than buying it or thinking about designing it, but creating it, making things so that other women would be happy. I get so much satisfaction out of seeing a woman's face light up and her eyes widen, and you can just see the beauty just sort of blossom. That's what I live for. Andrea Gems has been in business for several years, and I've been very fortunate. Andrea Gems can be found in boutiques and jewelry galleries in many places in the United States, and I'm growing. Everything is done by my hands alone. Nothing is machine made. Whether it's a simple piece or a piece that will take me days, it's all done by me. I use a lot of rough cut stones, unusual cut stones. Stones that are cut in unusual shapes that I don't even have a name for. As far as metal goes, I use predominantly fine silver. Fine silver is found in Thailand, and all of their silver is handcrafted. So I find that very, very special that I take this very beautifully handcrafted special silver that's found only in one village that's part now of my creation, my piece of Andrea Gems jewelry. One thing that's special about Andrea Gems is my signature wrap. It's a look that I've really perfected over the years and really, really defines Andrea Gems. I think cocoon is a good way to describe it. Women buy my necklaces just sometimes for that look. It's very special, it's very sexy and sinuous, snake-like. But I wanted to do something that was in keeping with my one-of-a-kind philosophy, but was less expensive and still offered that one-of-a-kind Andrea Gems feel. So I came up with my Eclat collection. It's Swarovski crystal with a multitude of different colors and sizes, individually hand set in these bezels, so no two are alike. And they're affordable. There's a lot of punch, a lot of bling for the money, and you have a one-of-a-kind Andrea Gems piece. I also have a wonderful collection from Andrea Gems, and it's called Architecture. And it's simple, and it's linear, and it's beautiful. And it's for those women who aren't that comfortable with a lot of gems. Again, I wanted to provide a taste of Andrea Gems for those women that wanted a little more simplicity in their lives. I make one-of-a-kind and limited production artisan jewelry.